Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the wellness community: the amazing benefits of drinking a glass of celery juice daily. Yes, you heard it right, celery juice. In this video, we're going to uncover the very important reasons why this simple green drink has gained so much attention. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be reaching for that celery stalk like never before. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Let's kick things off with a bang. Did you know that celery is a nutrient powerhouse? It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. But what sets celery apart is its unique combination of antioxidants and phytonutrients that work wonders for your body. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall immune system. By having just one glass of celery juice daily, you're giving your body a major nutrient boost. 2. Hydration hero. It's no secret that staying hydrated is crucial for your health. But sometimes, water alone doesn't cut it. Cue celery juice. This green elixir has a high water content and is rich in electrolytes, making it a fantastic natural way to stay hydrated. Proper hydration supports digestion, skin health, and even helps regulate body temperature. So, swapping out that sugary drink for a refreshing glass of celery juice can work wonders for your hydration levels. 3. Digestive harmony. Are you tired of dealing with bloating, indigestion, or gut issues? Well, celery juice might be the solution you've been searching for. Drinking celery juice daily can help promote a healthy gut environment by stimulating the production of stomach acid. This aids in digestion and ensures that your body effectively absorbs nutrients from the food you eat. Plus, celery contains dietary fiber, which supports regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. 4. Skin. Now, let's talk about something we all desire: radiant and glowing skin. Celery juice contains compounds that are known to have a positive impact on skin health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe skin conditions like acne and eczema. Moreover, the antioxidants present in celery juice contribute to a youthful complexion by fighting off free radicals that damage skin cells. So, don't be surprised if your skin starts to shine after incorporating celery juice into your routine. 5. Weight management. If you're on a journey to manage your weight, celery juice can be your secret weapon. With its low calorie and high water content, celery juice can help you feel full and satisfied without loading up on unnecessary calories. Additionally, the fiber in celery supports a feeling of fullness and can prevent overeating. Remember, weight management is not just about shedding pounds, it's about feeling your best, and celery juice can certainly help with that. 6. Alkalizing properties. Our bodies function best in a slightly alkaline state, but our modern diets and lifestyles often make us more acidic. Despite its initial taste, celery juice actually has alkalizing properties that can help balance your body's pH levels. An alkaline environment is associated with improved energy, better digestion, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases. So, sipping on celery juice can be a simple step towards achieving that ideal pH balance. 7. Inflammation buster. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues we face today, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Celery juice contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help combat this silent threat. By reducing inflammation in your body, you're not only promoting better overall health but also decreasing your risk of various diseases. It's incredible how something as simple as celery juice can have such a profound impact. 8. Detoxification support. Detoxification is your body's natural process of eliminating toxins, and celery juice can play a role in supporting this process. The compounds in celery juice have been shown to have detoxifying effects, particularly on the liver. A healthier liver means better toxin elimination and improved metabolic function. So, by including celery juice in your routine, you're giving your body an extra hand in its natural detox efforts. And there you have it, folks, the very important reasons why you should consider incorporating a glass of celery juice into your daily routine. From being a nutrient powerhouse to aiding in digestion, hydration, and even promoting radiant skin, celery juice offers a plethora of benefits that are too good to ignore. Remember, consistency is key. So, why not give it a try? Your body will thank you for this green goodness. If you found this video informative, Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Stay vibrant, stay healthy.